Most people building blogs and content are wasting their time chasing traffic that doesn't come. If you're still relying on posting or hoping Google magically indexes your posts, you're already behind. This setup changes everything. The site does most of the work for you and the traffic is already built in. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to create content, get it in front of real visitors, and start monetizing without writing a single article manually. And there's one small mistake almost everyone makes that kills results. I'll show it later. Open your browser. Type writesonic.com, the AI content platform we'll use. Sign up for the free plan if you haven't already. Click on AI Article Writer. Now here's the first trick. Most people type a topic and hit generate. Don't. Scroll to the content type section. Select blog post / SEO friendly. This automatically structures the article in a way that Google and social media snippets can use. Next, choose a topic. I'm using Best AI Tools for Productivity 2026 as an example.
Then you click on Generate Outlines. They will bring out some options for you to choose. Then you select the most recommended options from the pages. Just follow the steps carefully to generate your SEO, high-traffic blog articles.
Click Generate AI Content. Watch this carefully. Notice how it immediately gives you headings, subheadings, and actionable paragraphs. Most people stop here. They copy and paste, they add images and post. That's where results drop. Here's what you do differently. Scroll through the AI-generated content. Pick only 5 to 7 subtopics. Now go to medium.com. Click Write a Story. Copy each section from WriteSonic paragraph by paragraph. Paste it naturally, don't spam. Use the headings as your guide. Now here's the optimization most people miss. At the end of each section, link to your monetized blog post, which also has affiliate product. Here's my own website, paddedvibes.com. You see, it's monetized and showing ads. These ads is what revenue when visitors read your post or visit your blog, and this is one of the best online business to start in 2026. How do you start a successful blog in 2026? First, you need to have a standard website blog, and to get that, you can join Mr. John Francis' channel, who is in charge of Padded Vibes development team. Contact him on WhatsApp so he can help you get our team to develop and monetize your website blog. When your website is fully developed and monetized by Padded Vibes team, they will monetize it, integrate auto blogging, and also help your website SEO optimization. This is important if you want this strategy to work for you. Then log into your blog after it has been delivered to you and follow my simple traffic strategies. Medium readers are already engaged, so subtle placement works best. Once you finish the article, publish it on your blog first and share some snippets to Medium, and Medium will push many traffic to your blog because it had higher search engine ranking features, and that is a win for your blog post. You'll have to make good number of posts on Medium and also link back to your own blog, and that will pull traffic to your blog. Apart from Medium, there are other secret sources to boost your traffic. Once your post is made on your blog, don't share it yet. Open LinkedIn, Facebook groups, and Reddit niche communities related to your topic. Copy the blog article link. Write a short post. I tested these AI tools for productivity and shared my honest breakdown here. Post it. Don't overcomplicate. Traffic will start trickling in naturally. Now here's the retention spike. Most people think this is enough. It's not. Medium's internal tagging is key. Scroll to the tag section. Add long-tail niche tags like AI productivity tools 2026, automation content, affiliate marketing AI. This is where most people mess it up. Without proper tags, your content won't show in search results. If you skip this, the whole thing fails. Now for traffic hacks most people ignore. Step 1. Open Pinterest. Step 2, create pins using screenshots from your AI-generated content. Step 3, link directly to your blog article. Step 4, use keywords in the description that match your tags. Pinterest will send consistent free traffic. Step 5, repurpose small snippets on Twitter or X. Use 1 tip per tweet. Link back to the blog article. Step 6, join niche Discord or Telegram communities. Share one actionable insight and drop the article link in the discussion naturally. Now let's talk about monetization. If you already have a WordPress blog built by my team, which Mr. John Francis is a part of, we will monetize your blog before even delivering it with Adstera, Monotag, or affiliate links. This is where the system compounds. The Medium article acts as a traffic bridge. Traffic to Medium, to your blog, to ad network or affiliate offer. It works for small audiences. Even 50 to 100 targeted visitors per day start producing results because the traffic is already pre-qualified. Here's a real-world check. I tested this method with a single niche post. No expensive ads, no SEO waiting. Now let's scale it. Step 1. Repeat this process for 5 to 10 related articles in the same niche. Step 2. Post consistently on Medium and social platforms. Step 3. Rotate affiliate products or monetize blog posts with ads. Here's a bonus trick. If you want more exposure, open Quora. Search questions related to your article topic. Answer them in 3 to 5 lines and drop a Medium article link for full detail. Traffic from Quora is free and highly targeted. Step 4. Track performance. Use Google Analytics on your blog and Medium stats. See which articles drive the best clicks. Double down on those topics. This is just the foundation. In the next video, I'll show you how to automate this entire workflow using AI, content generation, social posting, and link tracking, so it runs on autopilot. You won't need to write a single line manually. If you want more videos like this, the ones that actually work, not generic advice, subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon. Also join us on Telegram and WhatsApp channel for daily updates. And here's a question for you. If this website can generate content and traffic for free, how many other platforms are quietly doing this for advanced marketers? I'll reveal those in the next upload. Check out our next video.